Hello everyone, my name is Shrikant Dagmalli. I'm an analytics and AI specialist at AWS. So in this architecture, we're going to see how we can use OpenSearch through MCP to leverage new conversational searches. So if you see this architecture, there is a user who is going to interact with OpenSearch using natural language plain English through MCP. So there is a Claude desktop agent which is being installed on your local machine, and everything, of course, and everything is in the local machine. So where this is configured with MCP model context protocol, there is a configuration file which you can upload to the Claude desktop configuration, and it will talk to the OpenSearch MCP server, and it will use the available tools. These tools can be, uh, you know, knowing about your data and understanding your data, or searching your data, and also your cluster information, etc., etc. So there's so many tools which are available. So to do all these activities, so it has to leverage an LLM. So here I'm using Claude Sonnet 4 for as a brain for this AI agent. So the Claude stuff here is also known as a AI application or AI agent, or in some cases actually it is also called as a MCP client. So everything is installed in local machine. Now let's see how it's going to work. So just like I mentioned, so this is the Claude desktop which I have downloaded from the internet. Let's see, list indices, and it has to connect to my OpenSearch, and it has to query what kind of tools, indices which are available, and it brings me all the list of indices information. As you see, like I did not say uh, where to look, what to look. I did not provide any specific query language. Okay. Well, let's ask so here I say I have the flights data, commerce data. Now I'm interested in commerce data. Uh, Tell me top selling items. So I did not say which index to look, which fields to look. So the LLM actually has to understand uh, the way to look, what to look, and it has to do and all the aggregations or filtering. It has to do everything, and it will construct the request, and then it submits that request to the OpenSearch and gets back the results. So this is how it look like. Okay. Now I'm gonna say I'm gonna ask the AI to get some insights, interesting insights. According to you, what is most interest to you? Let's say. Okay. So that's interesting. Looking at email commerce data catches my attention most as a strong preference for the black color items, and you want me to explore more and more. So that's good. I can explore more. But let's say I'm an executive and I came today. Usually, if I want to look into some sales data, I will usually depend upon my teams to get to know what are the sales. So they will create a nice dashboard or nice report in the PDF format, and usually they may take days or weeks of time to give me the report. But as an executive, let's say I can say hey, can you create a graph based sales data insights for executive board? I'm just thinking yeah, I can be a team member, and I'm asking, I want to create a nice dashboard for my executive board. So let's see. Yeah, it is creating a nice dashboard, and it is generating actually the HTML code to give me the graph because I have asked for the graph. So by default, the agent does not have the graph capabilities because it's not like a BI tool like a Tableau or some other, some popular ones. It's not like a full-fledged. So what it is creating, it is just rendering all the query response values to a HTML, and it is just creating a nice dashboard. So let's see how it look like here. Okay, it says like it is already created. It is giving me everything here, and also apart from that there is a nice dashboard which is presented here. Okay, category performance and demographics, everything, and also some key insights and recommendations. And I can also open that in the open Google Chrome. So Google Chrome also it is creating the same total revenue, total orders, order value, weekly revenue, category performance, and etc information. Yeah, this is pretty nice, right? So this is how easy it is to use OpenSearch on MCP with a conversational search, natural language searches. Okay, that's it, guys. See you. Bye bye.